Hi everyone, here we've got HUAWEI Mate 40 Pro and let me show you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's tap on the security. Here we've got more settings, so let's enter and tap on encryption and credentials. And as you can see at the very bottom of the list we've got the delete all credentials option, so let's tap on it, let's tap on delete. If you've got a pattern or a PIN, then enter it to confirm. And as you can see, the credential storage has been erased successfully. So that's all. This is how to clear credentials in your HUAWEI Mate 40 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.